everyone, welcome to Coders Camp. We are at 22nd day of February LeetCode challenge, and the problem we are going to cover in this video is Excel sheet column number. So the input given here is a string with alphabets, and we have to return the corresponding column number for the given column title. So let's understand this with an example. So let's consider the pattern of which how the Excel sheet alphabets are numbered. So as usual, as we know, starting from A to Z, the numbers are going to be 1 to 26 correspondingly. But then after Z, the column number starts appearing like A, AB, AC, and so on till AZ. And once this is done, it is going to start with BA, BB, BC, and so on till BZ. So this goes till ZZ. So as we know, A to Z is going to have the number 1 to 26. What would be the numbers that will be for A to ZZ? It will be 26 plus 1, which is 27, to 26 square plus 26. So how these things are determined? Because till Z it will be 26. After that it will be A. So the next number is 27. So this one comes with A because A is the first character which is holding the value 1. So 26 plus 1 would be A. And finally ZZ will be 26 square. So first this 26 square comes from all the numbers because every alphabet has to combine with every other alphabet. For example, A should be combined with A, B, C till Z. Same way B should be combined with A, B, C till Z and so on. So that will actually give us 26 square numbers, and this 26 comes from the Z here because Z is holding the value 26. So that is what we are going to add here. Same way, if we are going to have AAA, then it will actually be the next number to ZZ. So which will be 26 square plus 26 plus 1. So to make it even more clearer, let's compare this with how we represent numbers in the number system. So let's say we have to represent the number 2568 in base of 10. So in this case, 2 should be multiplied by 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 6 into 10 and finally adding 8. So this is how we represent a number with base to 10. So this will also be represented as 2 into 10 cube plus 5 into 10 square plus 6 into 10 plus 8. So this is how we are going to represent our column title as well. The difference is that the number system holds the base of 10 and our alphabets or the column titles holds the base of 26. So we are going to represent our column titles using the same way. So let's consider by replacing this numbers with the alphabet's value. So now let's consider the example A, C, D. We are going to convert this into number. So now A is in the third position. So let's say A should be multiplied with 26 square. So A is represented as 1 here. So 1 into 26 square plus C is having the value 3. So 3 into 26 plus what is the value of D? That is 4. So this is how we are going to represent. If suppose we have a number B in front of these three, then we should be adding it with B's value is 2 into 26 power 3. So this is how we are going to represent our column titles to numbers. So hope you're understanding this logic. So let's get into the code now. So let's first do the base condition. So yes, we have declared the value sum which we are going to add all the alphabet's value and finally we are going to return. So as I said, we are going to iterate each character from the given string column title and add it with the corresponding powers of 26. So yes, we will multiply it with 26 and we convert that number to alphabetical value and we do plus 1. So yes, this is it. Let's give it a try. Yes, so let's submit. Yes, the solution has been accepted and it runs in 4 milliseconds. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe and let me know in comments. Thank you.